Hi, my name is Richard, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about ErecPower before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about ErecPower is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because ErecPower is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is ErecPower and does it actually work? The answer is yes. ErecPower has helped thousands of men who were struggling with sexual performance, and it can work for you too. Even if you've tried other things before and felt disappointed. And after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with powerful ingredients like L-arginine, horny goatweed, Tongkat Ali, Tribulus terrestris, and saw palmetto, and many others. These components work together to attack the real cause of weak erections, poor blood flow, low testosterone, and physical and emotional fatigue that destroy a man's confidence in the bedroom. If you're tired of feeling embarrassed, avoiding intimacy, or hearing that you're not the same man you used to be, ErecPower is designed to help you take back control. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with ErecPower, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test ErecPower for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for ErecPower to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, ErecPower has no side effects since it is 100% natural. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy ErecPower from, and also if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you. And I also hope that ErecPower actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just like it has improved the lives of thousands of men who thought it was too late.